Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today I will be making the best, the most delicious, the most spiciest and flavorful meatball, and that is going to simmer down in some tomato sauce. Recipe will be in the description box below. As you can see, that's all my spice and everything nice that you're looking at right there, and that you listen, let us get into it, guys. Just let us get into it. Okay, beautiful people, I have this little container and I'm going to just drop my ground beef in there and all the ingredient that I show you. I am just going to add everything. It's that easy. You just add all your ingredients in there. That's my seasoning, my black pepper and my beef bouillon, and my basil, my parsley, my garlic. Everything for me has to be extra because I love spice and I love seasoning. You don't know me, the queen of spice, and everything I feel nice. My Locatelli cheese and my milk. And look how pretty that look, eh? Look how that just look golden. Yes, guys. With clean hands, you're going to mix that in very good because you want the seasoning and everything to just spread now, you know. Everybody, you want to combine everything together. Add the rest of my milk and just mix again. And it is that easy. This is very easy and simple and delicious. Mix and mix. Right. And guys, the measurement will be in the description box below, so please feel free to go and check that out. As I say measurement, I mean the full recipe and all that, guys. And guys, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Oh yes, that look good. So guys, I just pinch off just enough to make it into a little ball, and then I just rest that on my plate and I just repeat the step over and over until I have no more beef leaf. Pata bubble, me no response for you. Ooh, beg na, get on, uno beg na wana. Pata bubble, me no response for you. And beautiful people, please, I am asking you guys to please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to be notified. And I love you all. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Meatball. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Meatball. Them they look good. Yeah, girl. Them look good. Ooh, them smell good to you, see? Okay, let's go fry some meatball. Got my olive oil, and I'm just gonna drop them in my hot oil. And you see it a sizzle? It a sizzle, chisel my nizzle. Hey, look good, smell good, everything good. I'm just going to flip them. Once it get that nice little golden color, you want to flip them and make everybody every side get a nice golden color. And don't you think, I know say no fry. Yeah. Pata bubble, me no response for you. Ooh, beg na, get an uno beg na wana. Pata bubble, me no response for you. Okay, them nice and golden, and I'm going to just take them out and rest them on the plate. Oh my God, you can glimpse a little piece. Look there. Them they just look good. And Ozzy can't wait. Don't touch it, Ozzy. Don't touch it. It's not done. Can't resist. Him can't resist. Okay, Ozzy. Okay, Ozzy. Let me know how it tastes. Let me know how it tastes. Okay. Okay, almost done. Just going to take them out now. Then give you a little flash of how it looks. That's how it looks when it's done. And then I'm just going to drop them in my marinara sauce. Is that what? Marinara sauce. Yes. Oh yes, that look good. Oh yes, drop them in, drop them in, drop them in. And then I'm going to cover them up with that sauce. You know, you want the sauce to soak in and give it a even more flavor. And then I let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh yeah, and then you're done now. Shake the pot, shake the pot. Oh yeah, cover it up. And then I boil my spaghetti, and then dinner was ready. Oh my lord, tastes good, smell good, look good. Guys, thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You don't know the works.